You might have heard this tree being referred to as the miracle tree or the drumstick tree. But is it really as good as people are touting it to be? Or is it just some upcoming trend or fad? Wagwan Massive, I am Mziba. Welcome back to the channel. So today we dive into the world of Moringa. We explore its benefits, its properties, and its uses. The Moringa Oleifera, it is a fast growing tree and it grows in tropical countries. So you'll find it in places like the Caribbean, you'll find it in some parts of Asia, Africa, and other tropical regions. Now the limbs of the tree, they are very fragile, meaning they break readily, they break very easily. As you put any little pressure on the limbs, they will break. All parts of the moringa can be used, from the blossoms, the pods, the seeds, the leaves, the bark, and even the roots. In many countries for centuries, the moringa has been used for food, it has been used for medicine, and the seeds have been used for purifying water, and this is the reason it is called the tree of life. Now let's talk nutrition, because moringa is packed. Listen to this. Gram for gram, moringa leaves contain more vitamin C than oranges, more potassium than bananas, more protein than yogurt, and more calcium than milk. So yeah, moringa is nature's multivitamin. Where it gets more interesting is what the moringa can do for your health. Let's break it down. Number 1, moringa boosts energy. It fights fatigue, and it does this because of the iron and vitamins that's present in the moringa. So it's excellent for students, athletes, or anyone who has a busy schedule. Number 2, because of the vitamin C and antioxidants, moringa supports immune system by strengthening the body's natural defenses. Number 3, the moringa is excellent for hair and skin. The oil especially is rich in omega fatty acids. The leaves and the oil, you can combine these and they can be used as an effective hair treatment. And we see where the beauty industry is now using moringa in a lot of the products that they're now producing. Number 4, moringa helps to control the blood sugar. The studies are showing that moringa may help to regulate the blood sugar levels, and several persons I've spoken to have also shared their testimony of how moringa has helped to regulate their blood sugar. So it's quite useful for diabetics. Number 5, the moringa is anti-inflammatory. It works like a natural ibuprofen without any side effects or any unwanted side effects. And number 6, the moringa supports a healthy heart by lowering the cholesterol and protecting the arteries. And of course, moringa isn't a miracle cure, but it is a very powerful natural supplement that supports overall health. Let's delve into the uses of the various parts of the moringa. The moringa leaves. The leaves can be cooked or used as teas. But first, you have to dry them and then you can steep them in water. But to be honest, sometimes you just boil them. The leaves are also powdered and used in smoothies, juices, or soups. Family, I've come up with my own creative way of using the moringa. I have created or formulated a natural moringa seasoning. So this is combined with other ingredients to make it a complete seasoning, and I use this on just about everything. And the beauty about it is that I can use it in its raw form or I can use it cooked. The oil can be taken internally, and this is the pure moringa seed oil that is extracted from the seed. Right? So you can take this internally. It can be used in cooking, however, that could be quite expensive. The oil is also very therapeutic, and therefore it's excellent for muscle pain. So wherever you have muscle pain, you can massage it, you can warm it, you can massage it, and the pain in no time will go away. The pods can be cooked like string beans. I share a video on the channel, and so I will place the link to that video in the description below. But yes, the pods can be cooked or you stir fry them just like you would do with string beans. The blossoms can be added to your salads or your sauces. They also make a natural fragrance that you can use as a natural perfume. Now, the bark of the moringa is used to make wine. Guys, I'm still trying to figure out how to make the wine from the moringa bark. When you cut the bark, you will also notice this very sticky gum. It is called moringa gum, and it is used in Ayurveda for chronic arthritis, joint pain, and gout disease. And this, guys, the gund or the gum can really cost you a pretty penny. The gum contains amino acids, beta carotene, and is one of the more effective parts of the plant. As for the roots, a great deal of the medicine is in the roots. In folk medicine, the roots are used for their anti-inflammatory, anticonvulsant, and diuretic properties. It is used to treat conditions such as kidney stones, ulcers, liver disease, toothache, and just general inflammation. However, the root is said to contain some toxic compounds that could lead to serious side effects, and so it is not so widely used, and every precaution must be observed if you decide to use the roots. In anything that you're doing, just don't go overboard. Remember, moderation is key. And if you're taking moringa for the very first time, start in very small doses and then work your way up. Finally, the seeds, one of my favorite parts of the moringa. The seeds are packed with protein. They can be eaten whole or they can be grounded and used as protein powders. But again, one must be careful because they can actually loosen the bowels. As a matter of fact, eating 3 to 6 seeds will send you to the bathroom because of the cleansing properties of the seeds. And another interesting note about the seeds, I mentioned it earlier, the seeds are used to purify water. Again, I have a video on the channel demonstrating how you can use the seeds to purify your water. Now, a quick disclaimer. Moringa is safe for most people. But pregnant women, you should avoid the root, the seeds, the bark, as these can cause complication. If you're on medication for blood sugar or blood pressure, consult with your doctor. And always purchase or consume moringa from clean and reputable sources. And remember, again, my personal disclaimer, I'm not a doctor and therefore I'm not giving you any kind of medical advice. Consult with your physician. I would say moringa is definitely worth the hype. It is one of nature's best complete natural supplements. And you know, family, a lot of my customers have said to me it has been doing wonders for them. I have many testimonies of the healing properties and the benefits that a lot of my customers have received from taking moringa. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried moringa before? Drop your experience in the comments. I would really love to hear your stories. If you enjoyed this video and you learned anything new today, please go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this information with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.